This is a very simple and easy to create product presentation or animation video that we will be creating today for free in Canva. And there is a very important tip I will share. So make sure you watch all the videos so you don't miss any important points. So to get started, when you're on the home page, you come and you click on YouTube videos. Then now you come on this left section on elements and you search for a circle. Then you add it at that, then you scale it. You duplicate the circle. You reduce it. Position it nicely. Then now you change this color to a different color. Then you come again to the search bar and you search for podium. Like I said, we'll be doing it for free. You come to graphics. So there are many free ones that you can use. There's this one that I searched earlier and I saw it. It is very nice and it is even free. This is it here. I'll just drag it and add it. Or add a drop shadow to it. You click on it. You come to where it says edit, shadow, and you take on this drop shadow. Then I guess now at this point you already have your packages that you want to present. Or you can use this again in another way to present even your workers. You can use this idea to present your workers or present anything. So now I'm just going to bring in my packages that I want to present. And in this case, it's going to be women bags. Maybe you say you have new designs of bags that are out. And you can offer to do this as a service to e-commerce. Or add a drop shadow to it the same way. You click on it, you come to edit, scroll down, shadow, drop shadow. And after positioning well like that, I'll just go in now and add the rest of the bag very fast. So after adding them now like this, you arrange them very nicely. Please continue watching closely and make sure you watch the video. If not, you're going to make it's a very simple mistake that you can make, and yours is not going to be exactly like mine. You add in your bag description, you go in and you change the color. Now a quick tip for you. I want to add this drop shadow that I've added in this one, but I don't want to go through the long process of clicking each bag, going to edit and adding the drop shadow. I want to make it very fast. So to do that, you click on the one that you have already added it. You right click and you go to copy style and you come to the next bag that you want to add it and you just click on it and it will be added. As you have seen, drop shadow is added. Let me enlarge it so that you see. As you see, it has been added. So that's a very simple and quick trick for you to work very fastly. I'll do it to the next. You copy, you right click, copy style, it is added. So these images are now that are coming in, I want them to be blurred, a little bit blur. So I'll click on it, come again to edit. You scroll down, this is blur. When you come here, you arrive at, they'll be giving the option to use by this brush. And then I'll prefer use by this whole pitch, and then you increase the intensity. So when all that is done now like that, you have your description, everything is set. You come and you duplicate the page. Then now in this next page, I want to change the images and I want it to fly behind this other circle. So to do that, you click on it, you come to show layer. I want to bring it behind this other circle here. So when it's going to swipe like that, it's going to go behind. Like that is okay. So now in this next page, make sure you're on the next page. I'll click on the image, I'll remove it. I click on this image, I bring it, I enlarge it. Please follow closely. There's a transition that I'm going to add that is going to make everything very nice. If you miss out that transition, the right transition, you are not going to have this effect. You go now and you remove the blur that you have put there. This background color, I want it to be alternating. You press on it, you come to color. So you change the color like that on the next page. Then you go again, you do the same thing. You right click on the page and you duplicate the page. On this next page, you remove this one. So now when you have everything set up now like that, then you come in to add animation now. To add a transition that is going to change everything here, that's going to make it very nice. You scroll back now to your first page. You hover in between, you're going to see where it says add transition. You click on it. Then if you hover over the transition, you're going to see the effect that is going to have. And the transition you're going to choose is this one, match and move. Click on it. You play a little bit with the duration. And then you're going to have something like that. So please, if you're enjoying the video so far, please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. Which video will you want to see next? If you have any video you would like me to create, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. More good videos like this are coming. Now, to add transition very fast now to all of the other pages, you just hover over the transition, you click on it, you scroll down where it says apply between all pages, you just click on it and it will be applied to all the pages. So as you have seen, you have created our good presentation for free. So now to download it, you just come to share, download as an MP4. Just gonna download. So that is it.